It always starts with a question of why should this exist? We essentially create a story and construct an experience off of that story, and then manifest it into a design that actually has meaning.
We put everything into it. It's the late nights, it's working from home, it's working from studio, it's everything. It's all of that kind of put into a physical form.
Industry is an innovation accelerator. We're extremely collaborative. We're all bike lovers here. Want to make a difference in bringing biking and cycling into the kind of core of the urban living.
Oregon Manifest is a competition to create the ultimate urban utility bike. This is something that we're doing out of passion. I really love translating designs into actual objects that I can use.
Every dimension of our business has to kind of match the way we want to work.
I'm going to be doing everything from the initial concept development to the 3D modeling.
Prototyping has to be iterative, and that's what ultimately brings a level of craft to anything.
What's great about Fusion 360 is that you can go quickly from a sketch to something that you can 3D print. A lot of these ideas our builder can really take and make an amazing bike with.
Part of working here and working on innovation projects is being able to incorporate a lot of information into a dynamic environment.
Our process in many ways is the idea of being agile. It's not really about having a linear, structural blueprint for innovation that no longer exists.
As much as I love the sketching part of it and like the concept development, so much of that happens in the computer now.
You can't use a tool that's cumbersome.
The best tools are tools that everyone could use, anywhere and at any time.
When you're done, it's not just an object. It's yours, and you can ride it.